Welcome to the best picks. The best Whisker Biscuit is probably one of the most straightforward yet effective arrow rests in the archery world. Designed for simplicity, it offers excellent arrow support and stabilization, making it a favorite among both beginners and seasoned archers. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Whisker Biscuit, exploring its design, how it functions, and why it might be the perfect addition to your archery setup. Number 5. Trophy Ridge Quick Shot Whisker Biscuit Arrow Rest. This is a fundamental fail-safe rest. It's sought after by bow hunters of all skill levels. You can trust it to perform reliably in the field. This rest is specifically designed for right-handed bows. It ensures proper arrow alignment and a smooth release. This design enhances your shooting accuracy. Make easy corrections with advanced windage adjustment. Convenient reference marks help you fine-tune your setup. It's simple to get the perfect shot. It has a 150% increase in strength compared to previous models. The composite-encased biscuit provides exceptional durability. This ensures it can withstand the rigors of hunting. Enjoy silent arrow loading with custom rubber boots. This feature minimizes noise, giving you a stealth advantage. It helps you stay undetected in the field. What we like. This rest is a tried-and-true choice for bow hunters of all levels. It features easy windage adjustment for quick corrections. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use rest, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who value simplicity and consistent performance. What people say. Does the job well. Solve my problem of having a 30.5 deciliters while using a bow that is only 30 deciliters and needing a 1-2 string loop. If you are looking for a rest that is easy to set up and works no matter the conditions, the Whisker Biscuit is the rest to get. Shots go clean through, which means no more scuff marks on my veins. Number 4. Trophy Ridge Master Hunter Kit. This kit features the Volt 5-pin sight. It has ultra-bright horizontal .019 fiber optic pins, making it easy to see in various lighting conditions. This sight will help you aim with precision. The kit includes a 6-inch static stabilizer. It comes with 2 customizable weights, allowing you to fine-tune the balance of your bow. This will improve your accuracy. The Kill Shot Whisker Biscuit is a tried-and-true arrow rest. It offers windage and elevation adjustments for precise arrow placement. You can rely on it shot after shot. The Trophy Ridge kit includes a high-quality wrist sling and mounting bar. These are made from premium materials, ensuring durability and a comfortable feel. They are built to last. The kit features aluminum mounting brackets. These brackets have laser-etched markings for easy and accurate setup. They are designed for long-lasting performance. What we like. This kit includes a sight with enhanced visibility, making target acquisition easier. The stabilizer adds extra stability for more accurate shots. If you are looking for a complete package that enhances your overall shooting experience, this kit is the way to go. It's ideal for archers who want a comprehensive setup. What people say. Everything was easy to install, and I like the added adjustability of the 5-pin sight, and the light works nicely for low light times. The Kill Shot Whisker Biscuit is just what its description says it is, a kill shot. The stabilizer allows wind to blow through it so it doesn't interfere with your shot, and it seems like the perfect way to balance my bow. Number 3. Trophy Ridge Whisker Biscuit Original Arrow Rest. This arrow rest is a trusted choice, sought after by bow hunters of all skill levels. From beginners to professionals, they rely on it for its performance and reliability. It's the world's most popular arrow rest, and for good reason. The tried-and-true design has made it a favorite among bow hunters everywhere. This model features a medium mount design, specifically for right-handed bows. It's designed to fit comfortably and provide optimal arrow support. The construction is both durable and lightweight, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of the field. It offers a 150% increase in strength compared to previous models. The design ensures quiet arrow loading, thanks to custom rubber boots. These boots prevent any metal-on-metal contact, keeping your movement silent. What we like. This is the world's most popular rest, trusted by bow hunters everywhere. It's built with durable materials and designed for quiet operation. If you value a proven design and reliable performance, you should consider this. It's perfect for those who want a dependable rest. What people say. The whole setup worked fantastic and I could flip down the rest to use as a normal slingshot. This is a great item, it adjusts every way you need it to. I will never not have a Whisker Biscuit again. This item puts the drop away to shame. You don't have to worry about it working or not because it is not mechanical. I have shot over 1,000 arrows with it and still like new. Works as it should. Good quality and mounts easily. Number 2. Trophy Ridge Kill Shot Whisker Biscuit Arrow Rest. This is the world's most popular arrow rest. It's trusted by bow hunters of all skill levels. It's a reliable choice for any archer. The rest features a reversible mount design. This allows for use with both left and right-hand bows. It's designed for versatility. Making adjustments is simple with advanced windage and elevation controls. You can easily fine-tune it for optimal arrow flight. This makes it user-friendly. It's built with increased strength thanks to the composite-encased biscuit. This ensures it can withstand the rigors of the field. It's built to last. The custom rubber boots ensure silent arrow loading. This feature is crucial for stealth in the field. This helps you stay undetected. What we like. This rest features an ambidextrous design, making it suitable for both left and right-handed archers. It also offers easy windage and elevation adjustments. If you are a left-handed archer or need a versatile rest, this is the one for you. This is a great choice for archers with different needs. What people say. The Whisker Biscuit is a great rest. It is very accurate. It is easy to set up. Number 1. Trophy Ridge Quick Shot Whisker Biscuit Arrow Rest. This archery arrow rest is a fundamental fail-safe design. It's a trusted choice for bow hunters of all skill levels. You can rely on it for consistent performance. This rest is specifically designed for right-handed bows. It ensures a comfortable and effective shooting experience. The design focuses on ease of use and accuracy. Make quick corrections with the advanced windage adjustment. Convenient reference marks make it simple to fine-tune. This feature helps you achieve precise arrow placement. It offers a 150% increase in strength compared to previous models. The composite-encased biscuit adds to its resilience. This ensures it can withstand the rigors of the field. Enjoy silent arrow loading with the custom rubber boots. This feature helps to minimize noise. It's perfect for stealthy hunting situations. What we like. This rest is a tried-and-true choice for bow hunters of all levels. It features easy windage adjustment for quick corrections. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use rest, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who value simplicity and consistent performance. What people say. Does the job well. Solved my problem of having a 30.5 deciliters while using a bow that is only 30 deciliters and needing a 1-2 string loop. If you are looking for a rest that is easy to set up and works no matter the conditions, the Whisker Biscuit is the rest to get. Shots go clean through, which means no more scuff marks on my veins. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.